Oh, I've got 24 minutes to film this one. Okay, we can do this. Yeah, it's cold. Holy crap, I'm gonna get nipply.
Opa!
He was right there, he lost his balance and he like jumped and he was just like, with his feet and everything.
You know why he loses balance?
Why?
Because his heart doesn't fill completely up with blood. And it's trying to, but he gets lightheaded. That's why he falls.
And trips?
Yep.
Oh, poor baby.
He trips a lot now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a haul, but this is a different kind of haul because I have to give a huge shout out to Alba because she is really into couponing and I've actually been couponing a little bit and I've also been shopping a lot more at the dollar store, which I know is kind of weird, but I asked you guys on my Twitter if you'd like to see that, and a lot of you were like, yeah, let's see them hauls. Don't think you guys can get a lot of these deals anymore because these were all from last week, but I think if I ever get any deals on like anything I need, then I will share it with you guys, obviously. So if you guys would like to see what I got, then just keep watching and let's just get started. I know, that's so like, that's not as exciting. Let's just get started. Yeah, I know, that's fine. Deals, we're gonna go back to Target for a minute. Last week they had a deal where if you spent $20 in their beauty department, you could get a $5 Target gift card. So I did that a few scenarios because I really needed razors really badly. I love the Schick Hydro one. I do like Gillette Venus as well. That's the one I grew up on, but I personally really like the Schick Hydro, and for some reason they keep sending me razors in the mail. I don't know why, so thank you Schick. I do appreciate it. I also have to give a shout out to Free Stuff Finder on Instagram. I will leave her Instagram down below. I follow her page along with her beauty page and her Beauty Stuff Finder page and Target Steal Finder page. That's how I found all these deals. So that's mainly where I came up with all of my scenarios, except for one of them I came up with all on my own because I really wanted to stock up on some stuff. So, but you guys will see that. So the first scenario basically was if you buy 2 Schick Hydro 4-count of razor packs, then you would be able to qualify to get a $5 Target gift card. Plus there was a cartwheel offer, I believe, and then I had a couple coupons. So after all that, these ended up, I think, being $6 or $7 a piece. I think these are both normally around $20, so that's crazy for razors. So very happy that I ended up getting these, but these are the kinds that I like. Schick Hydro, Silk, Schick Hydro, I don't know. And then there was another one, however, I was gonna get 2 of these. This is the last one that my Target had because y'all crazy couponers out there, hi. I got the Schick Quattro U. So this was another scenario and I ended up getting a $5 gift card from this and also from this. This is an 8-count, and then I got the Schick Hydro Silk disposables. These are both disposable packs, by the way. However, I will say for these, what I like to do with them, because these are so much cheaper than buying just the razor. So here's a little tidbit I'll share with you guys. Buy the disposables. If you have a Schick Hydro razor, just buy the disposables. You can easily take off the razor and put it on your normal razor you already have. Basically, you can just recycle the handles, but take off the razors and use it on your normal one. That's what I've been doing, and it's so much cheaper, and of course you could kind of help save the environment by recycling these. So, I don't know, I feel like it's still a waste, whatever. Maybe it's still a waste, I don't know, but that's what I do. But I ended up getting a couple of these. I used a coupon on each, and I think there was again a Target cartwheel offer, and then I got the $5 gift card, and plus there was an Ibotta, which I love that app. I will link it down below. I ended up getting back, I think, $2 for each one of these purchases, which was awesome, or maybe it was just this one, I can't remember. So Ibotta is huge, I love it. I have used it on and off for years, along with Checkout 51. There are some of the really awesome cash back for things that you buy sort of apps out there. So just want to throw that in there. But we are stocked up on razors now. I don't need razors anymore. I'm not buying any more razors unless there's a bomb deal that makes them like free or like $1 each. Then I'm all for it. But until then, no. We're good on razors. So the other scenario that I ended up doing, by the way, I ended up going with Alba this day, and because I was like, oh my god, razors, and she's like, oh my god, let's go. So I ended up using some CoverGirl coupons and Maybelline and L'Oreal, and I got another $5 gift card on all these, and these ended up being, I think, after all of the cartwheel offers and the coupons and the gift card, it was probably like, god, I can't remember off the top of my head, maybe like $4 a piece, $3, $4. I think it was like $2 or $3 actually. I can't remember, I'm sorry. But I ended up getting 2 Lash Blast Volume mascaras, and then I meant to get the regular supersizer, but I got the fiber one. It's fine, I don't really care. Just because I wanted to stock up on my mascaras. So there was a CoverGirl $6 off 2 items. There was a CoverGirl $2 off an eye product, I believe, or off a product, and then I had $2 off of a Maybelline product, so I got another Age Rewind concealer, and then I think there was $2 off of a L'Oreal face product as well, which there is still a coupon for this on coupons.com, so that's also where I get a lot of my coupons from that website, and also from like the Sunday mail. There's no mail on Sundays. No post on Sundays. No post on Sundays. I get a lot of my coupons from coupons.com, from Free Stuff Finder when there's specific links for specific items, and from my Sunday paper. So that's where I get mine from as of right now. That might evolve, I don't know. But I also got a $5 gift card back from that too, so very happy. The next Target deals were actually from this weekend. I just wanted to briefly share these. This I think is an awesome deal. I think this might still be going on right now. I could be wrong. I got the Dunkin' Cold Brew Coffee Packs, Rich and Smooth Ground Coffee. This makes 2 pitchers. This is normally retail at Target for $10. It was on sale for $7.99. Plus there was a Ibotta cashback offer, so it was $2 off. So this ended up only being $5. So I'm really excited about it because I like the Dunkin' Cold Brew. By the way, David's right here. He loves the Dunkin' Cold Brew. So I figured I'd get it so we could try it at home. I kind of regret only getting 1 box, but then again, we're just trying it. So we got that. And then there was also a Starbucks coffee deal going on. Very happy because I needed coffee. Buy 3 or more packages of their ground coffee or their K-Cups, or I think even the whole bean variety as well, and then you will get $6 automatically off. And there was a Target cartwheel only for Friday and Saturday, so that made it 25% off. So I ended up getting these for about $4 a bag, which is amazing. So my Pike Place roast, it's what I live on. I love Dunkin' coffee too. Hello, receipt. Can you not do that? Bye. And also ended up getting a Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Polish because this one was calling to me, first of all. And second of all, there was another deal scenario with this one too, but I just didn't feel like going through and getting the coupon and all of that. So I got this for 25% off, which I'm not sure how much that was. But this is in the color Let's Get Digital. And that's what that looks like right there. It's like a nice iridescent blue color. Hope this looks good on my nails. I was going to put it on and I decided not to. So then the last things I got from Target, which are kind of random, but these weren't on sale or anything. I got them from the dollar section. I love to send thank you notes when I send out Poshmark packages, so if you purchase from me, you will get one of these. So I just got some more cute ones. They were $1 each. They say "You are mermazing," which is really cute. Oh, hey, thanks. Which has holographic envelopes. So I usually don't send the envelopes, or I wasn't in the last couple packs, but I'm definitely gonna do that this time because these are cute ass envelopes. I got cute little sunglasses, just so adorable. This one just says thanks all over it and like hollow. It's kind of hollow-ish. And then the last one just says a plain thank you, and it's also hollow. So I ended up getting all of those because I do like to thank you guys if you do choose to purchase from me, because I truly do appreciate it. Next, we're gonna go through the haul from Dollar Tree really quickly because I only got 14 minutes left. Oh my god. Very random, but I really wanted to start trying a lot more like products from Dollar Tree. I know that kind of sounds weird and like, Sam, why do you want to do that? But I really wanted to try their hairspray, like their body products. I feel like I kind of want to make that a series maybe on my channel. Let me know if you guys would like to see that, because I know that Dollar Tree is kind of like underrated and people are like, ugh, ew, Dollar Tree, like gross. But I truly have become obsessed, and I have just recently bought some more organization for my makeup collection. It was all like $3. I spent $3 on it. Like, what? This is from a different trip, but I wanted to share it with you guys. This is the Salon Selectives Humidity Resistant Flexible Volume Weightless Control Radiant Shine All Day Control Hold hairspray in number 3. So that's what it looks like. I really like the packaging, honestly. I think it's really pretty. My mom has tried this before. She said it was really good, so I decided to pick it up because I'm running low on hairspray and it was only $1. And then I got one of these. These were like really hyped up. If you follow like hashtags on Instagram, which you can do now, Dollar Tree finds or like Dollar Tree, I follow some of those hashtags. Everyone's raving about these because apparently these are retail for like $30 in some stores or on sale for $10. This is the Mopi Pedi Perfect Electronic Nail Care System with a nail file, buff, and shine. However, I did use these on my fake like acrylic nails before I cut them, before I decided, you know, hell with this, I don't want them anymore. So I did get one. It was only $1, and you can't go wrong with $1. It works really well actually for just like filing off polish on your nails, in my opinion, but then again, that's just me. And then I got some more, there's cat hair all over it, some organization I'm gonna use for when David and I move into our place. I think these are gonna be great for like a junk drawer or just like our silverware, or I don't know, maybe even our bedroom or our bathroom. So came in a pack of 3 only for $1, and I know they're like kind of flimsy, but I mean they hold stuff, so I don't really care. Along with that, I got another pack of 2 of these, which I did get 2 of these already from the dollar store, so they're all in my makeup collection along with a little skinny one. But I just got a couple more for, again, for when we move into our place, for organization, drawer drawers and stuff. I got a couple nail files. These are Sassy and Chic, designed for artificial nails from when I had the acrylic on the top of my nails, so I decided to get a couple more nail files, but I will keep these and use these on myself. Shampoo and conditioner. This is the Salon Selectives Volume and Body Shampoo and Conditioner, which I am excited to try out because, I mean, dollar store brands, like, I don't even, is this really a dollar store brand? I feel like I've seen this brand somewhere before. Kind of reminds me of Finesse in a way. Really excited to try it out. So again, if you guys want me to do like a series on my channels, like trying things from Dollar Tree, and then I tell you guys if it's good or if it's crap, let me know. I don't know. I think it'd be kind of fun, and it's like budget friendly a lot for you guys too, because Dave and I are getting married. We're gonna have our own place. We're gonna have a lot more bills. I want to kind of be a little bit more budget friendly on my channel, so there's that. And then the last and final thing I got from the Dollar Tree, these were all over Instagram too, hence why I had to get them. I'm going to use these again for organization in our place, but these are reversible sequin bins, which you could use for organizing books, toys, clothing, and more. So I have a couple of these already for my beauty stash, but I think I may end up putting them, because you guys can see it's like that two-tone different sequin thing. I might just store them with, you know, the sequins to the back, so everyone could just see the black depending on what our bathroom looks like, or our bedroom, wherever we put these. I don't know, just organize our stuff in there. So I just got 3 of them. They were $1 each. Had pink ones, they had like really girly ones and really cute ones, and then they had more kind of downplayed ones like these, but I thought that they weren't that bad for the price, so I got those. I forgot, I did get one more thing. I got the Maxi Thins Feminine Cleansing Cloths for sensitive skin. I am not ashamed to say that on my channel I am a huge advocate for being very clean, ladies, because I personally feel like we should be clean at all times, in my opinion, and feeling fresh and smelling good and all that kind of stuff. And I personally, I just really like to take care of myself. Like, and that might seem kind of weird to some people, but I'm very, very hygiene conscious when it comes to myself, because I never want to smell, I never want to, you know, you get it. Like, I just don't want to put off that vibe. So I'm always wearing deodorant, perfume, you know, I keep it clean, all that kind of stuff. I ended up getting these to try. It says compared to Summer's Eve cloth. So I don't know how much different these could be from like the Walmart brand or the Target brand, but we did get them to try out. I'll let you guys know how they do. I actually ended up getting like a Pampers one too, because they had little Pampers travel set one as well. And then I got an 8-pack of little travel tissues because allergy season's coming. I got a nail polish as well. I got the Kiss Gel Strong Nail Polish in Dream Fit, which I had this on my nails last week, and I really love this formula so much. So if you do happen to go to a Dollar Tree, look for this brand, or Pure Ice is pretty good too. I don't really like the LA Colors ones. I feel like those ones are a little ugh, but this one's a really, really nice brand. I can't remember what else I got from the Dollar Tree, but I think that's basically it. Like, I can't remember if there's anything else. So with that all being said, that is my deal haul and Dollar Tree, I was gonna say Target haul, Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want me to still continue to do deal hauls when I get deals on like certain things that I buy, please let me know down below, as well as that series if you guys would like me to do that as well. I think that'd be really fun and kind of different, and just, you know, see what's at the dollar store, because I've really fallen in love with it, and a lot of my centerpieces for my wedding will be from the dollar store, and I'm not ashamed of that. I love you guys. I hope you have an awesome day, and subscribe if you would like to, and like the video if you enjoyed, and use the little bell because YouTube is just, I don't know what's going on with that. And of course, my shameless self promo, it's time. I have my Poshmark link down below, as well as my Poshmark closet. If you use my code, oh my god, it's SamX3, you get $5 credit on your account when you sign up that you could use on anything on Poshmark. I am not sponsored, I promise, unlike some other YouTubers. So there's that, but no tea, no shade. Like I said in my last video, or in another video, I really feel like Poshmark should just, that's what I wake up to. Anyways, I really feel like Poshmark should sponsor YouTubers or sponsor people that have been using the app for years or for like a consistent period of time. But that's just me. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. You done snoring, Butt? I heard your little snore, your little nasal snore.